Welcome back Australia. Please subscribe my channel now to get next important update of Tropical Cyclone Kirrily over Queensland, Australia. Thanks. A monsoon trough extends from the Gulf of Carpentaria through Cape York Peninsula in Queensland to Tropical Cyclone Kirrily in the northern Coral Sea. There is isolated convection and cloud along the monsoon trough, becoming more widespread about the tropical cyclone. A low is positioned in the Gascoyne region of Western Australia, with a trough extending through central South Australia and into western New South Wales. There is scattered thunderstorm activity near the trough in central parts of the country and south of the tropical low. Significant mid to upper level cloud streams away from the system over southern Western Australia, through the Bight, Victoria and southern New South Wales. Isolated convective activity is occurring through much of the Kimberley. Scattered mid to upper level cloud persists over much of the north of the country. Onshore flow is producing low cloud about western and southern parts of Tasmania. Here is details of Tropical Cyclone Kirrily at 12 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Intensity, Category 2, sustained winds near the centre of 95 km per hour with wind gusts to 130 km per hour. Location, within 35 km of 18.5 degrees south, 148.9 degrees east, 240 km east-northeast of Townsville and 295 km north of Mackay. Movement, west-southwest at 18 km per hour. Tropical Cyclone Kirrily is expected to continue strengthening as it tracks west-southwest towards the Queensland coast. Kirrily will cross the Queensland coast tonight, in the vicinity of Townsville, as a Category 2 system, then weaken on Friday as it moves inland. From Friday, Kirrily is likely to track further inland as a tropical low, resulting in heavy to intense rain to parts of the northern interior and western Queensland. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour are occurring over the Whitsunday Islands and are expected to extend to mainland communities between Ayr and Sarina during the late morning. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 120 km per hour are expected to extend northward to coastal and island communities between Ayr and Ingham, including Townsville, during this afternoon and evening, and may extend north between Ingham to Innisfail if the system takes a track further north. Destructive wind gusts to 140 km per hour may develop about coastal and island communities between Ayr and Bowen during this evening, extending north to Ingham, including Townsville tonight. Gales with damaging wind gusts to 90 km per hour are expected to extend to inland areas including Charters Towers overnight tonight into Friday morning. Heavy rainfall which may lead to flash flooding is likely to develop about coastal areas and nearby inland between Tully and Bowen during this afternoon before spreading further inland this evening and Friday. Intense rainfall which may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding is possible near the track of the system. A flood watch is also current.